As you know, we celebrated yesterday the Feast of St. Benedict, and we weren't using the normal readings of the day. We're using the readings for St. Benedict. On Tuesday, we celebrated the Feast of Our Lady of Aberdeen, the solemnity, and so we didn't look at the normal readings of the day. We looked at the readings for the feast. And so we've actually missed out Jesus's missionary discourse. He's teaching the disciples about being missionaries. We're trying to be missionary here in this parish. And so we're coming to the end of it. We've catched the end, but actually it's really important what he's saying right here at the end. And we need to listen and prepare. So he's teaching his disciples how to be missionaries, and he's preparing them for what they'll encounter as missionaries. You and I, as Christians, are to be disciples, and disciples are people who will go out, who will be missionary. The actual call is to be a missionary disciple. He's preparing us, he's teaching us, you and I, for mission, preparing us for mission. And here we have something that's really important for us, because right at the end, he's telling us what to expect. I'm sending out a sheep among wolves. Among wolves. That's what we'll encounter, wolves. They will hand you over to Sanhedrins, scourge you. He's talking about persecution. Take us before governors and kings. They'll speak all sorts of terrible things about you. And we will be betrayed by family, we'll be betrayed by friends, and you will be hated. And it's important that he's telling us this because, anybody done any workplace training here? Workplace training? If you've done a job where they've trained you for something, stick your hand up, I need to know. Okay, and why the heck would they do that, I wonder? Why would they give you the training beforehand to do this work training? Why do they do that? Because preparation. You need to know what you're getting into. You need to know what you're going to face. So when you face it, you're ready. Ah, yes, they said this would happen. Here it is happening. Yep, that's what they said it would happen. And now they've given me some training. I know how to respond to because they've given me the training. And in the same way, Jesus is doing the same. So what's going to happen? You'll be hated, you'll be persecuted, people will attack you, you might be put in prison. This is what will happen because you're a Christian. Do you want to continue? Do you want to continue being a Christian? Because that's what's going to happen. Are you ready for this? Because if you're not, you will leave. You will fall at the first hurdle. You will abandon your faith. If you're not prepared for this, that's what will happen. And it needn't be as blatant or as brutal as Jesus is describing it. I mean, many of you will know just the subtle ways that people can speak and treat us because of our faith. But if we're not ready for it, if we're not prepared, if we haven't given our yes to this, we will not be able to continue the journey. We will not follow to the end. We're giving a yes to that. Lord, if you want, yes. If you do not pick up your cross daily and follow me, you are not worthy of me. If you're not prepared for that, you will not make it to the end. And so here, in this celebration, and every time we come here, we should be saying, yes, Lord. To that, amen, so be it. Be it done to me according to your word.